In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display a header for fields used only as text or label in Tableau. Let's dive in. To start, you'll need to open up the Tableau application. Go ahead and launch it if you haven't already. Once you have Tableau open, navigate to your worksheet. This is where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to get organized by dragging your category field to the rows shelf. This sets the foundation for your data arrangement and will help in clearly segmenting the information you want to display. Following this, take your sales data and drag it over to the label under the marks field. Placing it here means that this data will be visually represented as text or a label directly on your chart, ensuring that it stands out to anyone viewing your Tableau dashboard. Now, let's turn our attention to the columns. Drag measure names into the columns shelf. This will allow you to categorize the data measures dynamically and keep your display orderly. It's like setting up columns in a classroom. Each piece of data has its own place. Following along, take measure values and place them into detail. This action is crucial as it intimately links the visual representation with the actual data fields. With these pieces in place, let's refine it further. Click on the Measure Name drop-down menu located on the columns shelf. Once there, choose Filter. Initially, you'll see all measures selected, but what you're going to do is click None to deselect everything. This ensures you're starting with a clean slate. After all the selections are cleared, go ahead and pick Sales, then hit OK. This action tells Tableau to focus specifically on the sales data for what we're about to create or manipulate. It's perfectly tailored for focusing only on what matters. Now that we've set up our initial sheet, it's time to open a new one. By doing this, you create a fresh perspective to apply modified settings or display criteria. Once your new sheet is open, repeat the action of dragging category to the rows shelf. Once again, this builds consistency across your visualizations. Follow up with dragging sales into the label, repeating the earlier steps to maintain clarity and connection in your data presentation. Following the previous method, place measure names in the columns shelf again. Here you'll find a pivotal step. By right-clicking on the measure header, you open up customizations. Select Edit Alias, rename it to something descriptive, and then click OK. This small customization can make a significant difference, immediately presenting more context to your viewers. And there you have it, your customized Tableau visualization with clearly labeled headers for fields used as text or labels. I hope this guide was helpful, and you're now better equipped to make your Tableau dashboards more informative and visually appealing. Thank you for watching.